Aveeno Active Naturals, Skin Relief Moisture Repair Cream, fragrance-free, 11 ounces, 311 grams. Product Overview Description. New Intense Moisture helps restore and maintain moisture barrier of extra dry skin. Dermatologist Recommended clinically tested therapeutic triple oat formula. This deeply moisturizing cream provides effective, long-lasting moisturization to help relieve extra dry skin. Its proprietary formula, which combines ceramide, rich emollients and a triple oat complex, deeply moisturizes to help restore and maintain healthy-looking skin. Helps restore and maintain skin's moisture barrier. Intensively hydrates skin with 24-hour moisturization. Helps prevent moisture loss and helps repair extra dry skin. Non-comedogenic. Free of fragrance and steroid. Aveeno Active Naturals are ingredients derived from nature and uniquely formulated to reveal skin's natural health and beauty. Essential Active Naturals, Triple Oat Complex. Suggested use. Smooth generously over body. Other ingredients. Water, glycerin, distilled ammonium chloride, butyrolatum, isopropyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, Avena sativa, oat, kernel flour, Avena sativa, oat, kernel oil, Avena sativa, oat, kernel extract, ceramide impi, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, benzyl alcohol, methylpropane, steareth 20, sodium chloride. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.